Manipur has bountiful raw materials for manufacturing different food items. However, raw materials in the region are mostly stagnant and scattered, which is a big hurdle to productivity. There is a need for an association for farmers to ascertain the volume of crop yields. Now is the right time for a holistic effort for marketing state's food products to the outside.
Sector ahum change food processing matamda tawon tamda ahanbada farmers na pothoktori ba raw materials depend tawre and mathangda surplus oiba ngasai gi raw materials si ekoina process tawdoini process tawai asi nothing asi value addition ne ba raw material kariguma khara technology khara hapchalaga madu
Everyone will know the quality of the food products only when the concerned authority takes up serious step towards determining the benefits and side effects of these products.
And high mayam sinjak singji kadaida karana check tawrige sari mi sina kanana sa aduna ngasai sari ba ngasai processor mayam ama so koi sari singji self help group khang haibani khangde ama entrepreneurs haibani khangde tholei mayam si when happy ba pochai chemical mayam si kama mong da happy mano sina kayam helagana kaya sokpa haiba dugumba regulatory makha da torok pata aduna tragadi ekhoi si yamna risky oiba ama risk oireba.
Food industries will provide job opportunities to the unemployed youths. However, the government, farmers and producers need to work together. Central Food Technological Research Institute MYSORE has been providing training and tools to people annually. The door remains widely open for everyone to approach the institute.
Manipur si da ko food processing si yamna maru oiba industry amani industry si leiragadi kuina hujik tabuk phangnadabagi samasya si khara si kokpa ngamgani success oige haragadi hariba mafam cha khangba adugumba premier institute like chapter aidagi moina contact tawraga technology lawraga moi ninkhatpa yagani